Do you want to see how to create a chic accent wall? Stick around and watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. So today is Saturday, January 16th, and I'm finally going to apply my peel and stick wallpaper. Now this I purchased from Target maybe a couple months ago. It's a part of the Keller Ripper home. I didn't even know she had a home line, but it's the new wallpaper in the grass weave texture. So if you guys watched my previous video, I did say I wanted to apply this wallpaper to my accent wall, or to create an accent wall in my beauty / office room. So this roll of paper covers 3 feet by 8 feet of wall. I will measure my wall so you guys could have an idea of how much actual square footage it covers. I actually bought 4 rolls of paper, so I hope that does the job. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. I hope this inspires you to create your own accent wall in your home as well. So without no further ado, let's start applying this peel and stick wallpaper. In order to begin my first roll of wallpaper, I did overlap the corners a little bit because I did notice that my drywall is a little bit wavy, so that means that my wall isn't straight. So that way I was able to create a straight line with my wallpaper, which will make, applying the other rolls much easier and smoother. Now, if you're a renter like me and you have like a matte textured or a matte finish paint, you do have to pre-paint your wall in either an eggshell or a satin finish, because applying peel and stick wallpaper to that type of wall is a no-no, because in the future when you go to remove it, it can cause some type of damage to the wall. So I highly recommend that you pre-paint your wall in like an eggshell or satin finish, and that would alleviate or avoid any damage or cost you your deposit. In order to prevent the wallpaper from bubbling, make sure that your wall surface is smooth. Remove any nail heads, any holes, make sure you fill those holes. If you have any outlets, make sure you remove the covers on switches and things like that. So it will make applying the wallpaper much easier, much smoother. So now that I've made my way down to the bottom of the wallpaper, I use the smoothing tool to create a nice even line above the baseboard. This allows me to use the razor to cut a straight line across, and then I'm able to use the smoothing tool and smooth out the bottom of the wallpaper. Because I'm super cautious of the sprinkler head in the middle of my wall, I did start a new roll on the opposite side of it. I did not cut out like a hole and then put the wallpaper over it, because I'm so scared to touch it. So I rather just put a new roll, or place a new roll on the opposite side, and then I'll come back and cut an even strip and fill in that spot. Here you can see that I've made it down to the outlet, so I did grab my razor and cut a really not too much of a big hole in the wallpaper, just to expose the coaxial cable. That is enough space for me to apply the wallpaper, and then when I do put the cover on, it's going to have a nice seamless look. Always remember that you can pre-measure and pre-cut your wallpaper if you're more comfortable that way, but I'm pretty comfortable applying my wallpaper just like this. At the end part where the sprinkler head is, I did have to measure and cut that piece just to make sure it's straight, But if you're not comfortable just applying the wallpaper and you think that you need to pre-measure and pre-cut, that's also a great way to apply the wallpaper. As you can see, I'm pretty much close to the end, so I'm basically going to peel and stick the wallpaper to the wall. It's pretty much repetition at this point, so you guys are going to see me finish up and do a little patching here and there. As I was applying the wallpaper, I forgot there is a door stopper on the wall, so I'm gonna grab my razor and make a cutout so that the wallpaper doesn't cover this area. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you hurt me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. So at this point, I'm just cleaning up a few areas that are missing wallpaper and also using the razor to clean up the edges. So this is pretty much it. This is the end. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. You'll see the afterwards. I'm sure you already see it in the beginning. But I really appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. I hope you were able to get some great tips from this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. I'm here to help. So with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.